Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever wish the subtitles on Disney Plus were a little easier to read? Whether you're hard of hearing, watching in a noisy environment, or just want cleaner text, making subtitles bigger is simple. Let's walk how to do it in different devices. First up, if you're watching a web browser, start by playing a movie or show. Click the menu icon in the upper right corner, then select subtitle styling. Here you can adjust the font size, color, and background to make subtitles for more readable. On iPhone, open the Disney Plus app and start your show. Tap the screen to bring up the menu. Then choose your setting subtitles. Keep in mind, mobile versions don't offer font size or color changes like the web version does. Using Roku while watching, press the star button on your remote to access subtitle options. Select your preferred language or turn them off if they need it. For Apple TV, simply swipe down on your remote while watching, select subtitles, and choose the language you want on turn off them. And that is it. Whether you need subtitles or accessibility or just want to catch every word, Disney Plus makes it easy to customize your experience. Give it a try and enjoy your next binge session with perfectly sized subtitles. Thank you for watching.